capturing moments, creating memories. And welcome to our channel.
Daryl and Glynn were in Celebration, Florida, and were so lucky to get a glimpse of Adam the Woo driving Mini Marge and going to get his piping hot caffeinated beverage. Adam was truly the one of the best content creator of all times, and this memory will last forever. So, come on and watch the video, shall you?
So we'll have a walk in Celebration now, in Orlando here, and I think we'll have a look at some of the homes. So just check some of these places out here. These homes, they are just absolutely amazing. It's a lovely, lovely area, Celebration is. Very warm here now as well, and there's somebody coming with a dog. So like I say, we're just walking around the streets here in Celebration. And the houses are just out of this world. There's some real massive places. Look at the homes here with the flags and everything on them. Beautiful. That's 714. So they must be worth an absolute fortune, some of these places, mustn't they?
Gotta be, haven't they? Absolutely.
Every one is immaculate.
America as well.
I would say it's crime-free America as well, yeah.
And that family were just sitting out the front here, just on the chairs, with the kids. No worries at all.
Chilling out in Celebration. Look at this home and this home here. And we've got another amazing home there. And they've all got the tables and chairs where they sit outside the house there. And some of the homes are just huge. Look at the grey one in front of me there and this pink one. How big that is. The grey one in front, it must be worth an absolute fortune. Let's just zoom in on it for you there. It's really, really nice. So we'll head down Sycamore Street now, and we'll have a look at the homes down here. Look at them pots they've got there, how nice they look. And again, they've got the chairs sitting by the front doors. Massive one here. Look at the size of this property. 418. So I wonder who lives on that one. Just check it out. It's absolutely amazing. And there's the post box for these houses. Trees look really, really good as well here. And we've got another house here, and they've got a Disney flag there saying welcome. That's number 420. And again, that does look a really, really nice property. More and more streets with more houses. Nice place there. They've all got these, like I would call them, veranda balconies that they can put the chairs out and sit out. I can't tell you how warm it is now either. It is scorching hot. Look at the fan they've got on the ceiling on that property. So we're just walking down another different street now, and again there is more and more of these absolutely beautiful homes. Another absolute massive place, and they've got some lovely shrubbery around it. That's number 705. They haven't got like a veranda as such here, they've just got steps up to their house to the front door. But look how big this one is next door to it. It's huge. And doesn't it look nice with all the trees, how all the trees have grown and settled over the properties there. Leaves have fell and they're lying on the floor. Look at this beautiful hedge they've got here with these really unusual flowers. Let's just take a look at one of them. Check that out. Seems like there's some work being done on this one, like sounded like somebody was drilling. So we just had a walk around the block there, looking at all the different houses, and yeah, I'm really impressed. I think if I was going to live in Florida, I think Celebration would be a place I'd consider to buy and live here. Back on the road where we parked the car, and I think we'll just cross over and have a look at the river that runs through. So our car is parked just there, and look how beautiful it looks just up here. Don't know what this is, whether it is a river or what it is, but it does look amazing, and all the yellow plants there is, they look fantastic. And if you look further up there, there's like a little bit of a waterfall there. Beautiful place. So there's more amazing houses or apartments or whatever they actually are here. As we head down towards the market stalls and the lake. So here we are at Celebration.
Daryl and Glynn were in Celebration, Florida, and were so lucky to get a glimpse of Adam the Woo driving Minnie Marge and going to get his piping hot caffeinated beverage. Adam was truly the one of the best content creator of all times, and this memory will last forever. So, come on and watch the video, shall you?
So we've just seen the Daily Woo there. I don't know where he was off. So we are here by this amazing building here. So it's just amazing even here. All these beautiful, amazing places we've got here. We've got all these market stalls here in Celebration. So the streets are quite busy. Let's have a look and see what we can see. The stalls in most places here, selling all the different bits and pieces that they've got. This must be a regular thing they do here on a Sunday. So Market Street they do close off and have these amazing stalls here. So let's have a walk up and see what there is. So they're selling cakes and breads. We've got something there. Clothing. Vegan cookies. There's pictures for sale there. So there is a lot of stuff. So the stalls just absolutely everywhere here. Up Market Street. So that was well worth coming up and having a look. And in front of us they've got the beautiful little park.
Tiki bar there.
They've got the surfboards and everything there, they're selling all them. Like I say, there is stalls everywhere here in Celebration, and here's the lake. So we've got these stalls all the way around here.